Very good morning, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So actually I need to make this video very quick because some of these signals are about to be triggered, and I need to be actually very quick with making this video because the targets are being approached. So for example, let me just now start with the Euro USD. Now, if you remember, my friends, I have sent on the last Saturday the signal to buy the EURUSD from this level of 1.21364. As we can see, thankfully, the pair has reversed exactly, not this one, sorry. The pair has reversed exactly right from that level. And the EURUSD has went immediately in profit. And I think it went in about 20 pips maybe? Yeah, more, actually more. 43 pips of profit. Right now, the pair has reversed back all the way below our buy level. Right now, it's below 1.21364, and right now it's on 1.21236. So, is the EURUSD going to continue the rising? The answer is absolutely yes. Right now, we need to look at the new levels to start buying the pair. If we just look right here carefully, my friends, we can see that right here exactly, we're having previously a strong key resistance level, which has recently become another support, and immediately the market has made the breakout from that previous support level. Most likely what will happen that the pair is going to respect that previous support level on 1.21105, and that is exactly where the EURUSD is going to continue the rise. So of course, for those who have missed entering this signal on the first place, you, my friends, can actually place another trade right here. So let me just fix this trade, or just fix this signal, and just say that the pair might actually reverse exactly right here. So the EURUSD is just about, yeah, maybe just like 12 or 13 pips far away from the actual, or from the next reversal. I just need to fix this one right here exactly like this, and I'm trying to drag this, yes, exactly right. The safe zone should be actually dragged here. I think it should be like that, and this one gonna be dragged like this. And the new level to start buying the EURUSD will be on 2.1093, and that's gonna be remaining our safe zone. And as you can see, the EURUSD is actually approaching the level. I think by the end of creating this video, this signal is gonna be triggered. Yeah, I think I need to move faster for the next pairs. Of course, the take profit level remains just the same. Pound USD. The Pound USD also is approaching another good level to start buying the pair. As we can see, the Pound USD has immediately has risen all the way straight away to the take profit level and didn't actually trigger our buy level. Now what we can do next? Now the new take profit level, sorry, actually the old take profit level will be exactly our new level to start buying, because as we can see right here, here was the previous strong support level, and right here the Pound USD is gonna approach that level. So that support is gonna remain as a support, and this time what we will do, we will buy the Pound USD right from this level of 1.40819, and the target will be the peak of the resistance right here at 1.42325. So that being said, this level of take profit level is gonna be changed to buy instead of take profit. And of course, for the safe zone, it's gonna be just placed right here below the previous resistance level. So it's gonna be about 50 pips, which is of course fair enough. This is exactly where we can start again buying the Pound USD, and the target, as I said before, will be the peak of the resistance right here on 1.42065, which means we are looking for about 126 profit from this deal. So take profit level 1.42065. As you can see, guys, I'm just moving very fast because I need to finish this video very quickly. Right now, the AUDUSD is falling. It's falling below our buy level. However, don't be worried, because I think the AUDUSD eventually gonna continue the rise. Now the question is where we can start again buying the AUDUSD. If we look at the daily chart, let me just delete the old signals. If you look at the daily chart, the AUDUSD is approaching a strong resistance level right here, exactly, and the pair is almost right there. It's just a bit, I think it's about, yeah, 13 pips only far away from that level. Most likely what will happen is the AUDUSD is retesting that broken resistance trend line. As you can see here, we had a broken resistance trend line, and the AUDUSD is actually retesting that level. So the old resistance trend line is going to become right now a new support trend line. So that being said, AUDUSD, let's just move to the 4-hour time frame. and exactly right here, that's from this previous support level, because right here we can see that this level here was the nearest resistance. That resistance has become another support level. So this is, my friends, here support number 1, and we can start again buying the AUDUSD on the support number 2. That being said, AUDUSD should be good for the buy right from that level, exactly like that. Buy AUDUSD on 0.77747. As we can see, I think the pair is gonna even reverse immediately without reaching our buy level. However, let me just give the signal exactly like this. This is the safe zone, and we can actually just make it lower. Yes, exactly like that. So we're talking about 50 pips, almost 50 pips, my friends. Let me draw for you the shape of the safe zone, and if in case our analysis was correct, we are actually aiming the peak of the resistance on 0.78895, which means we are looking for about 113 pips of profit. Hopefully we will make them. So take profit 0.78895. AUDUSD is actually already triggered, and I believe the pair is going to continue to rise immediately. Anyway, let's move to the next pairs. USDCAD. USDCAD, I believe, has been triggered already. Not yet. Yes, actually, USDCAD hasn't been triggered yet, and I believe it's just 30 pips far away from entering our sell zone. So that being said, USDCAD remains the same. I believe it's gonna be a good signal, and right now we cannot do anything about it. Yes, it just remains the same. USDJPY. USDJPY actually is already reversing. I have already made my analysis on this pair, and I believe that the USDJPY has already started the reversal. As we can see right here, this resistance trend line, I just cloned it from the peak of that resistance. And right here, yes, the USDJPY has actually reached the peak of that resistance trend line, and right now is about to start the fall. So you don't have to be worried about the USDJPY. Most likely, the pair is going to be ranging. Let me just draw for you something here. Between right this level from 108.927 and right here. Exactly right here, 109.056. This is actually, my friends, a resistance zone. And as we can see, most likely the USDJPY is going to be ranging in that level for some time before actually started the fall. I believe it's going to start the fall immediately, by the way. I'm just saying that the pair is facing a resistance zone right here and actually might be ranging on it. But however, eventually the USDJPY signal is still valid, and I believe the pair is going to continue the fall. Let me now look at the USDCHF. USDCHF is actually rising above our sell level and currently running in 33 pips of loss. Now what will gonna happen, if I'm not mistaken, that the USDCHF might actually reach the peak of our safe zone, because right here we had a previous support level, and seems like the USDCHF is actually approaching the same level to retest the broken level. So therefore, that resistance level is going to actually keep its position again as a resistance. So sadly, the edge of our safe zone will be the new level to start shorting the pair. That being said, if in case, my friends, you have actually placed your sell order right here, please be careful, because the pair actually might go for about 20 pips more against your direction. And for those who did not open the trade yet, I suggest that you guys can actually wait for the pair to reach the peak of that resistance exactly right here. The peak of that resistance right here before you can start again shorting the pair or the USDCHF. That being said, the new level to start shorting the USDCHF will be 0.90774. So for those who have missed this entry, I highly recommend you, my friends, to wait for the pair to rise for another 20 pips, and then you can actually start shorting it. The gold. Gold has actually reversed just like 8 or 7 pips before reaching my entry level, and I believe I have received on Telegram message from one of my friends who have actually entered this deal, and he's actually running right now in a very good profit. Actually, the pair has went in about 210 pips of profit from that level. So now what's next with the gold? Let me just delete the old signal so it won't confuse us. Let me now move to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, my friends, we can notice right here that we had the creation of a new support level right here at 1818.45. Now, if we look at the left, we can see that this level was actually a strong support level. But however, if I just move this support line like this again, you can see that right here, actually, this is a better level. Why? Because first of all, it was actually the peak of the resistance. And actually, it's almost the same, by the way. It's just 1818.07. So anyway, I believe this is going to be the best level to start again buying the gold. And hopefully it's going to continue the rise. We just need to wait and see that the pair is actually respecting that support zone right here. As long as the gold is actually respecting that support level, it most likely means that we can start again buying the pair. So we have to pay attention and just be patient enough. But remember, right now I'm analyzing on the daily chart. We have to go now back to the 4-hour time frame. And let me just tell you something. I need to do some analysis actually just to be sure that this is exactly the level where we can start again buying the gold. Exactly like that. Yes, perfect. Yes, this resistance trend line is going to actually become a new support trend line, and then the pair is going to continue the rise. I think it's very clear for me and it's very obvious. So this is going to be the new level to start buying the gold. Buy the gold at 1818.07. And for the safe zone, of course, it will be ranging just a little bit below or above actually that previous resistance level. I really doubt that the pair is actually going to even reach that level. I think it's going to reverse immediately. So therefore, the safe zone will be about 150 pips only. Of course, we need to look right now at the bigger picture, and we need to analyze on the daily chart. I believe the gold eventually going to be aiming 1855. That's going to be our target. Actually, it can be higher than that. It can be actually this level on 1863. But however, I just want to be more realistic, and therefore let me just make this peak of the previous resistance right here, which was also previously, of course, a strong key support level. That's our target. So we are aiming about 300, exactly, yeah, 300 pips profit from this deal. So take profit level 1848.08. That's going to be our target for buying the gold. Let me check the AUDUSD. Yeah, still falling. Anyway, yeah, there goes your signals, and hopefully it's going to be a very good and profitable week for everyone. So I need to publish this video very quickly. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.